The test passed for velocity and I got pound moles per kilo Fahrenheit. Welcome to Curly Carbocation. Please subscribe and stay tuned. This has happened to me so many times where I'm in the middle of solving the problem, I get all the way to the end, and then the units don't make any sense at all. I just wanted to make all of you squirm by saying kilo Fahrenheit, but you get it, right? There's 2 minutes left, you don't know what to do, so you just turned it in anyway, and you know it doesn't make any sense. But there is a step you can actually do before you start implementing the numbers. Multiplication and division properties also apply to the units. We're going to do some dimensional analysis stoichiometry, so get out a paper and pen. For example, how many pounds are in 3 moles of water? First, we have to convert moles to mass, and then from mass, we have to convert that to imperial units. But let's not put any of the numbers in right away. I know that there is a known gram to mole ratio. There's a known gram to kilogram ratio, and there's a kilogram to pound ratio. Now, if you're not sure where to put these, don't worry, we have a check for that. Remember, in fractions, when you're multiplying fractions together, everything on the top gets multiplied and everything on the bottom gets multiplied. And for the very beginning, just put it over 1. Anything divided by 1 is itself, so that's fine to do. I like to call it a logic check, so I make sure all the units match before I put numbers in. Now this is what it all looks like condensed. Moles, grams, kilograms, pounds divided by 1 times moles, grams, kilograms. Now let's start canceling out. Moles cancel out here, grams cancel out, kilograms cancel out, so we're left with pounds over 1, which is just going to be pounds. Remember, anything divided by 1 is itself. So far the course of action works and we can put in the numbers that we need. But let's say that you switch one of them up. Let's see what happens. Maybe you were just tossing units in hoping something would work. We can apply the logic check before we put in the numbers, so let's see what happens. So this is what the units look like condensed. And we can try to cancel out, but we see like terms together in either the numerator or the denominator because I purposely messed up 2 times. If I proceeded with the problem and just put in numbers without checking the units, I would get units at the end of moles squared pounds per kilogram squared. And that doesn't make any sense. In upcoming videos, I'll do examples using enthalpy and the ideal gas law. But for now, if this helped you, please give me a like and I will see you next time. Bye!